This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Karen Hendricks. Beach living at its finest, beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom open floor plan on the first floor. Has travertine marble floors, large kitchen with granite countertops. Custom-built solid wood closets in master bedroom, laundry room in this unit. Murphy bed in second bedroom. Remote-controlled shutters. Sit out on your balcony and enjoy the ocean breeze. This co-op fee includes everything except your electric bill. This co-op is a smoke-free building and no pets allowed. Board approval process for buyers. 24-hour security, elevator, staff is always on call to help residents, heated pool. For more information, review the details below.